MS blue with red color, மாம்பழம் மஞ்சள் with green color. Hot selling color combination in Kasagasa Kattam sarees. 6 pieces கிட்ட restock பண்ணிருக்கோம். Teal with blue color, Rani pink with green color, dual shaded violet with violet color, Korvai look-alike pattern la, lemon yellow with green color, half white baby pink with royal blue, new color combination grey with orangish pink color, அடுத்து ஒரு pink and blue with teal color, lotus pink with vadamalli color, parrot green with copper sulphate blue color, half white with dual shaded pink color, hot selling color combination rust brown with maroon color, teal with wine color, Meenakshi magenta with violet color, olive green with Rani pink, violet with teal color, trending color combination lavender with violet, wine with teal color, lemon yellow with arak color, ice blue with blue color, tussar with reddish maroon color, Korvai rettapet with Tazhambu border la, wine with sunset orange color, very traditional color combination Mandalay green with dark green color,